Today I'm going to talk about my future in English. And honestly, this is going to be harder than before because when I talk about my future, I have so many things in my head, but finding the right English words, that's a very big challenging for me because I'm a beginner English learner and I'm improving day by day. So, where do I see myself in future? That's a very big question for me. Actually, I want to become a successful businessman, and I don't know exactly how can I going to do that. But I'm working on it a little by little. And I also want to become a content creator. That's why I'm doing this 100 days challenge. I want to talk with people from different countries so that I need a better English. That's why I'm practicing English every day. Sometimes I feel I'm not improving enough, but if I do this challenge for 100 days, I believe that I will become a better version. Thank you for watching.